Exploring new horizons while staying connected. The future of digital nomadism trends and transformations. In this video, we embark on a journey into the horizon of digital nomadism. As technology advances and the way we work evolves, the future of the digital nomad lifestyle is shaping up to be nothing short of transformative. Virtual reality headset being put on. Tech-infused nomadism. Imagine a world where your workspace isn't bound by walls. Emerging technologies like augmented reality and virtual reality are set to redefine how we work remotely. Meetings in virtual offices and brainstorming sessions in immersive environments will become part of your digital nomad journey. People in an online networking event. Global networking communities. Embrace the power of connectivity. Future digital nomads will thrive in tightly knit global communities. Online platforms will be more than just virtual meeting spaces. They'll be hubs of knowledge exchange, collaboration, and camaraderie across borders. Sustainability will intertwine with the digital nomad ethos. Green accommodations, mindful consumption, and responsible travel choices will define the way you explore the world while leaving a positive impact. Say hello to a world without connectivity barriers. The advent of 5G technology will unlock remote corners of the globe for your digital workspace. No matter where you venture, staying connected won't be a concern. Cultural immersion. Deepen your global experience. Future digital nomads will embrace a slower pace, immersing themselves in local cultures. Learning languages, connecting with communities, and leaving meaningful footprints will be your way of life. A futuristic self-driving vehicle on a road. Nomadic transportation revolution. The road ahead is autonomous. Advanced transportation systems will redefine your journey between destinations. Effortless, safe, and sustainable travel will be at your fingertips. Security and privacy. A digital sanctuary on the move. Blockchain technology will safeguard your digital identity and workspace, ensuring your privacy as you traverse the virtual and physical realms. AI creating personalized travel itineraries. Personalized itineraries. Let AI curate your journey. Artificial intelligence will craft itineraries tailored to your preferences and work commitments, striking the perfect balance between productivity and adventure. Work-life harmony. Nurturing holistic well-being. Future digital nomads will harmonize work and life through mindful practices, wellness routines, and embracing leisure as an essential part of their journey. The future of digital nomadism is teeming with possibilities. As technology continues to shape our world, your journey as a digital nomad is poised for transformation. Embrace the adventure. Embrace the evolution. Your future as a digital nomad is waiting.